OMG, look at this. Look. Hello? Deebot T8? Are you sleeping now? Seriously, what is the meaning of this suddenly breaking down? You had one job, Deebot. Just one. Stressed, right? We've seen this so many times. Do you want to see our customers' experience? What actually happened here? Well, this Ecovacs Deebot T8 isn't just being lazy, it's actually crying for help. This halfway halt is a classic T8 headache. Usually, it's a hardware triple threat, a dying battery, a jammed main brush motor, and a faulty left wheel. It's basically the robot equivalent of trying to run a marathon with a flat tire and no breakfast. The worst part? If you ignore these signs, you're looking at a fried motherboard, basically turning your expensive vacuum into a very heavy doorstop. Now, you could try basic tips like cleaning the sensors or resetting the app. But when the robot stops halfway, the issue is deep inside. And honestly, don't risk a DIY fix. One wrong wire or a misdiagnosis, and you could fry the entire motherboard. No one wants that. Oops, I have 5 extra screws left over moment. That's why they trusted the experts at RoboCare. We don't guess, we diagnose with precision using genuine parts. And look at it now. After a professional service at RoboCare, it's back to 100% cleaning power. No errors, no stops, just perfect flows. Why gamble with your robot vacuum's life? Don't guess, don't stress, leave it to the experts. Trust RoboCare to get your Deebot back on the clock. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair. Let's get your robot working again, can or not.